Hello friends, welcome today for this presentation. Today we're going to talk about how we can create our table of content using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to take you through the steps, so just pay attention and be keen as I follow my steps, please. So with creating table of content, there are basically three things that you should consider. First, you have to select those major titles that you want to make them in your table of content. In your table, you highlight them, the headings as headings, and you group them according to the table. Like we have the first heading, second heading, and the third heading. You're going to see it how we're going to do it. So let me take you through it. So you come to your Word. As I've opened mine, you click on the blank space. Afterwards, you type. After typing your documents, or you have some documents you want to edit, you're just remaining with the inclusion of the table of content. So this is what you do. Let me bring some already typed document here so that you can see. Let us bring some document. There was some document which I had already copied. I will just paste it on this new page. So in order to create a table of content from this document, you are going to highlight the headings which you want to appear in your table of content. But first, you have to select the page where your table of content will be. Like, let's assume our table of content, we shall put it in before the introduction according to this document. So you create somewhere, you put your cursor where you want your table of content to be. So that is where our table of content will be. But before that, you have to select your titles and give them a space where they will belong, like each of them with the heading. Let's do it and you understand it better. So like this, the introduction, if you want it to appear as the main heading, then others, there will be sub headings below them. This is what you do. Are we seeing this? So this is the first heading. You just tap on it like that, then you right click to modify. You select modify. Afterwards, you put it in any font you want and the font color you want. So I'm going to put it in the automatic one, that is black. Then the font, I will change it to Times New Roman. Yeah, and the font size, let me put it 15 and it will be bold. After completing the formatting of my heading, then you click OK. So that one is our heading 1. So you do the same thing with the rest of the headings. Like now for this one, introduction, we know these create inline chemistry zones. According to this document, it will fall under what? Introduction. So you come and highlight it, or you select it, whatsoever way you want to do it. You can either only click it like this, that one is selecting, or you highlight. So with highlighting, you do it like this. There are some shortcuts also for highlighting to ease your work. Just press shift, then the arrow, the directional arrows. You click that one going for, and you press home. That is the easiest way of highlighting. Then you just put it under heading 2, because it will be a sub-heading of introduction. Then also we modify our heading 2, because we have not yet modified it, we only modified our heading 1. So we put the font size to 12, the font type Times New Roman, and the color black, and we put it bold. So with that, we have finished modifying our heading 2. We move to the next one. Display display chemical information in a variety of ways. This one is also folding under introduction, so you put it under heading 2. With this now you don't modify it, because the heading 2 has been modified to a specific font size, font style, and everything. It is bold. This is what you want. If you want to change the color also, you can go and modify it again, but for now we are sticking to this. You go and give them accordingly like that. So I'm going to select them, put them under heading 2. Yes, this this one, are we seeing accept chemical data in a variety of format? This under introduction, but there's another sub heading below it. That one we're going to put it under heading 3, and we modify heading 3 as we did for headings 1 and 2. Change it to black, automatic, font size 12, that's okay, times new, we bold it, and we click OK. Right, so I hope we are still together, no one is lost. This one is a simple thing, you'll understand it all. So you just select and you assign each heading with its title with its heading. Yeah, so you have signed it like that. Then we move. Now we have hardware requirements. Let's put this one as our heading 1, and the next one we have software requirements. That one is also heading 1. Yeah, move, select. So we have come to the end of our installation. Then installation. Now the process how you should install this application. So that one we put it also under heading 1. So this is how we are going to do it. So that is the first step in creating a table of content. Then you go back to where you want to put your table of content. Now from there you go to references. I mean, go to references. Then are you seeing this on the left top corner, table of contents? This small drop down here, you click it. After it will bring you varieties of formats how your table of content will display. So I'm going to select this one, automatic table 2. Then I put it there. You have seen how our table our table came out automatically. So this is how you're going to do it. So if you want to understand it better, you can replay this video and you'll understand it. Now from here also you can format your table of content, or as we have seen, always table of contents, they're in their own page. So most table of contents are in their own pages. So this one we shall put it also, we create it as a different we are going to allow it to stay on its own page. Then afterwards we shall just format it in the fonts and the text, the font style we want. So we're going to put Times New Roman, font size will be 12, just like this. And you can expand it if you want. You can expand your table of content the way you want. You can move it to the heading, you can put it in the middle and you change it to black font like that, and you bold. So with that we have created our table content, and later you save your work. All of us we know how to save our works, so that in case of if the power is not there, maybe power went off, your work will be safe, and any other inconveniences that the computer might cause you. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day.